Hi everyone, my name is Connor, and I'm here to teach you all how to generate your own frugal fortune. Now, I know what you're thinking. Connor, I already have a savings account, what can you possibly teach me? Shut the hell up. And listen, today, I'm going to take you on an inspiring journey, one that starts with the simple act of saving just $5 a day. With financial discipline, frugal living, and smart investing, you too can create your frugal fortune. If you've ever wondered how to turn a small daily savings into substantial wealth, you're in for a treat. Stick around because we're about to dive into my journey to becoming a millionaire. This is where it all begins, the origin of the frugal fortune. I'm going to share the method that I will use to get out of this shithole apartment and kickstart my journey to becoming a millionaire. Saving just $5 a day may seem small, but it's the foundation of this incredible journey. You might be wondering, why just $5 a day? You'll never make it to $1 million. Well, it's a manageable amount for most people, and it adds up over time. We will start setting this amount aside religiously and start building the financial habit of saving. It's not about making drastic changes to your lifestyle. It is about consistency and discipline. I will be sharing my personal journey, monitoring my progress, and you can watch as my wealth grows. It's a story of patience, discipline, and the belief that small, consistent efforts can lead to extraordinary results. So, what am I going to do with these $150 a month? We need to find an asset that holds its value against the falling US dollar. Just throwing it into my bank account won't get me to $1 million. Putting it into the S&P index fund won't get me there either. With today's inflation numbers, investing in the S&P index would just maintain my purchasing power. Inflation is the government's way of taking money away from its citizens without raising taxes. The government just continues to print money irresponsibly. Just look at this chart. The US government added $275 billion in a single day. These fools spend money faster than Elon Musk at a rocket launch party. The only way they can pay for this is to print more money, which devalues the dollar further. It's called a debt spiral, and it's coming. If you want to learn more about the impending debt spiral, go watch Greg Foss speak on the topic to avoid the effects of this looming debt spiral. It's critical for us to invest in assets that hold purchasing power. Hard assets like gold, real estate, farmland, and businesses. It's what the rich do to preserve their wealth, so that's what I need to do. The problem is, those assets can't easily be purchased in small increments. The good news is, there is an asset perfectly suited to our needs. Bitcoin. Decentralized, transparent, open-sourced, limited supply, infinitely divisible, permissionless, portable. Now I know what you're thinking. Connor, that shit's a scam. It's just fake magic internet money. Well, all I can say is, if you don't believe me or don't get it, I don't have time to try to convince you. Sorry. We are going to stuff all $150 into Bitcoin at the start of each month and watch it grow. As we progress, we may diversify and will attempt to generate additional income by growing this YouTube channel. Please subscribe and help us build the frugal fortune. Any income this channel generates will be used to buy more Bitcoin and will be added to the frugal fortune. Here is where we currently are. 0.00539 Bitcoin, worth around $151. Just a hair over the $150 we started with. I will share my progress with you as we go. At the very least, it should be interesting to see how this turns out. A journey filled with uncertainties and surprises, leading us down a path of either homelessness on the street or living a life of abundance. And there you have it, the start of my journey to becoming a millionaire through the simple act of saving just $5 a day. If you found this video inspiring and informative, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Bitcoin? Have you tried a similar saving strategy? Do you think we will be successful? What asset would you invest your $5 a day into? I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to follow me as I build my frugal fortune.